boys on the site, you see?
Yeah, so you think
people
said.
smiling, you see me?
Yes.
Yeah, the face bend up, you know.
Yeah, work have to go, so.
Where's the sun hot?
Yeah.
I don't know what be a man have to put in the work. But ever know say Friday I Guinness today, boss I buy me for 50.
Yeah. Diploma come put in the pipe them. Yeah.
See, I never even saw that.
Yeah. Yep.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family.
Guys, over there now. Right. We are basically halfway up the building, more than halfway up, you know. Right now, column them a cast out, you see me? You know, over there box up for box up. Yeah man. See there? Yeah man, reinforce off reinforce and thing. Have him nail ya. You know. Generally I roll in with cement. Or it's a concrete for throwing a hole. See it there? Yeah. Progress, you know?
They come show them the board. Only for hard work.
Only for hard work.
For things and bases.
You say I put it in?
No, we have put in hard work so we can get money. You see? We not chop the line, you know, but
not chop the line.
You see me? So work stay. By a few more days you see it more better folks, you know?
Yeah.
Ever me and Sharpman.
Yeah, I mash it up.
Yeah, you know? Sharpman a free test him and get all my kids, you see? Don't know the badness, one thing, you know? Yeah. YouTube check in and likes and comment and share, you know?
Yeah. Well,
not tell them your name still. No, no name. Let me know in the language, all the famous. No name.
And there I mix up with concrete, man.
I wanna aim my concrete boss, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know? Sharp man at the mixer, you know?
Up top, up top.
Do they know, say they want concrete and things to me, so they're shorting. That's it.
Yep.
Tell them say it's not cheap, you know, they have to have money.
Yeah, so here's how we there now, you know? Here's how we there now. I go in from the so what I go in from the front. You can have a feel of the floor of the building, is it? So yeah, we are going right now. Alright, so here is at the front patio. Alright. Right here, so I'm not finished do the block work right here, so yeah, I kinda leave right here so for now. So yeah, enter here. Living, kitchen, dining. You know, living, kitchen, dining right here. Alright. This tub will be moved. Yeah man. Yeah, this is like a 23 by 6 room. 23 by 16, if I say. Yeah, this guys is like a 23 by 16 space right here. You see, you know, far up in reach, man. Some backfilling are going already too. Some of the dirt, I push it back. You know, as the column them get cast out and completed, you know, the dirt can push back in the space, you know. Yeah man, so we are moved now from the living / dining area. Bathroom 1. Yeah, this will be shared by the secondary bedroom over here and the living area, you know. And of course this is the secondary bedroom, guys. It's right here, so this is like a 11 by 12 room. I have a closet right here, so I have a closet right here, so yeah, so yeah man. So going back into the main area, alright. So you have the primary bedroom around here, so this is about a 12 by 12 room. So I think around 12 by 12, yeah. No, like 12 Almost 12 and a half by 12 and a half. Yeah, that's what I said. 12 and a half by 12 and a half. Yep. This is it. A little closet will be set up here. Right. Afterwards, I'll do a little closet here, so. The bathroom. This is the bathroom. Alright. Yeah, so here they have them the primary bedroom. Right, primary bedroom behind me. Them have them own bathroom, so they must come over here, so I have them shower. It's like a 5 by 7. I don't quite remember, but I know a 5 across. 5 across. And I will put a shower enclosure. And then, you know, the vanity and toilet right here, so make it nice, you know. Yep. Then exiting the bathroom back in the main bedroom. Then back out to the passage. Alright, here carries you to, this is the washroom, guys. This is the washroom. Alright, and then you turn here, so now you have the back patio. Yeah, this is the back patio right here. Quite, you know, sizable, decent size. You can chill around here, so man. Yeah, man, have a good time. Definitely. Yeah, so this is where we are right now, you know. Coming from work, you know, a little earlier than Cass still up on it. Right, but I come, you know, come catch some of it, guys. So it's over there right now, you know. Yeah, man. So Everton I put in the work. Yeah, yeah, man. Everton run off black. Everton a lay black fast. How the man them can deliver them?
See the Martha?
Yeah, Martha then.
Yeah.
Come again, what you say?
And him run it off, so.
Yeah.
Don't know. Two catching up on the question, you see?
Yeah, man.
One go. I will be appropriate. My name is, I don't know, I'm not telling you. But the place look nice, I don't know. By a couple more days, you see how stop, you know?
True.
So just go and look in and check in.
Money and buy a block and
Is
cement,
it?
is it? Yeah, now listen to the artists, them do the right thing, you know?
True, man.
Big up on the project.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I don't know. I have some I build my scheme too, you know, so. Now tune in from now if you want to see me I build a next scheme like this, you see?
Yeah. Guys, the black work accurate, you know. You know? Black work straight. You know? You can carry your square, carry your lot and check it. Wall them straight, guys. Yeah, man, and everything according to the plan. You know? Let me rate with Everton, every single thing, every spacing where they set on the plan. When you come and draw back a tape, it you get.
Yeah, I want to build up everybody out there in the ghetto. Because you don't know, struggle hard, but I want to make you know so people out there can make it. Because concrete to make our money from, you know? We're not robber, we're not thief, you see it?
Yeah.
I want to born perfect, you don't know that. Put in work for mommy can get look butter up on our bread. Sister want butter, everybody want butter, you see me? So I encourage you them to learn a trade, you see me?
Yeah,
They say thing then.
So yeah, man.
Tune in, you know?
Yeah,
More
so
thing day night.
you go be a little apprentice. For
Yeah,
Everton
me
work, you learn the
but-
thing. You say you gotta take it to a next level.
Yeah, I take it to a next level, so maybe I build a house in the future. So just look out for it.
Yeah. Yeah, man, him full of style, you see. Yeah, man.
I'm styling my point up.
Yeah. The shop man I go hard to cast up the column them, you know, cause my man him as him done cast up column saying I'm pushing dirt, you know. Yeah. So him I run it off.
Because them know say every day over there, so I've been over for man see. Watch him now. Watch him a fix up.
Yeah, the man so.
Watch him a fix up. Him a fix up, watch him. But the camera don't start up for you already. Camera doesn't say that important. That's right, go. You see, we have to run look vibes on the site, you see?
Yeah, so you think
people
said.
smiling, you see me?
Yes.
Yeah, the face bend up, you know.
Yeah, work have to go, so.
Where's the sun hot?
Yeah.
I don't know what the man have to put in the work. But everyone knows say Friday Guinness today, boss will buy me for 50.
Guys, today the man say, yo, make sure some carry the Guinness them coming, so.
Yeah, we don't know them not line now. Anything me drink stay there, just put in there.
Where's the top shelf?
Yeah, top shelf. Can't put it there. Second shelf that man. No man, can you log up on the second place now?
Oh, so you're there on your little platform there, that's what we're showing it. Oh yo, eh?
Yeah.
Oh yo,
So
eh?
you go, you know?
Yeah.
Take time on a machine, but we have to move like machine now and then. That's it.
Yeah,
Can't
man.
get machine like we out there.
Down in a hole. Well, the work can push till, you know, if you have two good, dedicated, you know, man for work alongside the mason, it can push, man. The work can push.
Yeah, cause a couple days you start this and look how far we reach.
Yeah.
All the boss surprised say we reach so far.
True, man.
But it's a nice trade for you to take up, is it? Can feed mommy and take care of kids, is it? If you have a woman out there who get stressed, pick to this. That's it.
You gotta take out some frustration by your mind, some board and them things
No,
there.
you know how we do? We come out nice sun, we just burn her out of our brain, you know? So we now have nothing to think about than the work. Because if you think about her, I'm going to lick you on your finger. So you always remember the hammer lick.
Like, quarry not easy, you know. Quarry not easy at all.
So where it go?
Fill up that. And guys, after we reach to the point where we are calling plumber here now, you know, some of the column them have to leave out now because the plumber have to come in and run fume pipe them and them thing there, you know. So we're not lying far reach, guys. You know, far reach. I mean, not lie, star. One of the thing them where we overlook, you know, are the cost for the board them, you know. Board not cheap. Nearly $8,000 a sheet for ply. You understand? And a several sheet of ply you need for do something like this. You know what I mean? So, and a joke thing. Well, I rent them still, you know.
You have to get good trade, man. If you get no cobbler for the work, if you want your house look like Ilam Gully, I have to do the wavy dance, you know. Link the cobbler them. But if you want good trade man like we, link we.
Yeah.
You just call ever, ever link me.
Yeah.
You see me? But your money have to up, you know. Because we have to braff after that. You see me? So I have to look good.
Yes, as we saying, guys, so we're going to share the contacts when the
Yeah,
work
when it
kind of
finish.
push a little bit
Let us see,
because
let us see.
imagine the man them there do them work and every 2 seconds the phone a ring off. You know what I mean? So yeah, man them just want we can just deal with the work. So when it reach pan a level, guys, we're gonna definitely share all the information them. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah.
Who may I walk on the road and be people that catch me.
Follow me high up. Reach far. And it make more sense to do it as you go in because if you block go all the way up and then after now I cast out.
I want to about that.
Whole heap of work.
Plus, they want to undermine it, want to cover it up with dirt so we can get more space.
Yes, that
Along
too.
the way while we are work, you see?
True.
Because the more space you get, the less damage and better for we can move.
Right. I'm talk about I call them dirt, the guys. Them pile of dirt, them a wait for can backfill. Yeah, man.
Is your house one bill? Call me. Call my number. Link it in the bio, yeah? Alright.
Don't know, I'm famous still. I look entertainer for keep you entertain, cause me have music, you know, but we don't put them up yet, cause we don't want the people to fall in love with it.
Jaja, you see, not ready for bus yet?
Cause a whole heap of love I got for, you see it? But I true that gear one piece, but kind of heart attack I catch you right now, so we don't want fried kill up on the camera, so you know?
I say him full of PS style, you know, peeps.
Eh?
I say him full of style, you know, and craft, you know.
Yeah, but you have to have craft for them, you know. Cause craft get the work done, cause all of them have take craft, you see it?
A real talk, man.
Like a craft man for know him trade.
Yeah.
So each craft man out there, I love you know, for continue do no trade and you know, give up. It's hard sometimes, but there's hope, you see it? Better than behind the bars, I have to look for Annie. And I fight children, them, man. Would encourage youths them right now for you.
I prefer that someone
You know?
behind the bars.
Yeah, cause you know, behind the bars kinda.
You know, easy, brother.
It's not easy, but I be a man every day and you have
Nah,
to
prison gone.
draw for you look back. Eh?
As a big man.
You stay nice, son. Nah, I got no prison after a wet dream. You're crazy.
And a wet dream, you know. Yes, I know. Yes,
that
you two
there.
more of the day that the cell you have your birthday and a cat you talk. You know, so body parts start move and
Yeah.
mind start, you know. Translate words them, you know. Body start reacting, you know. We are man, we are human. I don't to the dog know when him nature call.
My God. Hey guys, a brand new day, you see me? Alright, so right now the guys cast out a portion of the column them as you see. Right? The majority of the columns that are left are the ones that will be accommodating like water pipe and stuff like that. So I already make contact with the plumber and him give me a list of items that we need to buy so that him can come in and lay the pipes so the guys can continue and cast the column them with them and cast, you know? So me just pull up at the hardware guys, so I'm going now, present them a list and get the items that we need. So stay tuned guys. How you doing? Yeah, need some, yeah man, morning. Yeah, we need some plumbing supplies, right? So we need 2 3-inch pipe. Just you can write them down if you want to plug them in. Yeah, Adrian for the bill. So what the total? 13,460. Okay. Alright. Alright, cool. Yeah, so Adrian for the bill, eh?
And go ahead for the cashier to your left, straight around.
Thanks, yeah. Yeah, see it here? You want it basically 6 length of pipe. You have one or 2 fittings. Hello. Gary, you come look on site. Eh? You come inspect the job? Gary, you're the Afro here, eh? Gary,
Hey.
Gary, I'm gonna look over this up. Yeah, come put in your pipe then. Yeah,
See, I never even saw that.
yeah. Yup. This is for upstairs, you know. And not for your son, and not for the downstairs. Guys, what I want is we're not build. Yeah, alright, Eva, yeah. We're not build. Alright, little more, yeah. Alright, yeah, guys, so yeah, Everton them leave out now, guys. Yeah, so what I want is we won't be building upstairs immediately, but we are putting the groundwork, you know, so that when we decide to go up, we don't have to dig out and, you know, everything already prepared already for accommodate the upstairs section, you know? Yeah. So how was church? How was church, Kyrie?
Well, the louder the sermon got, the louder Kyrie got. Your ear when they are a bit nice. Kyrie and rice with your hand. Like, oh.
Yeah. Yeah, we're set up in the kitchen, guys.
Yeah, this is basically the kitchen.
Your height the wall is now.
Yeah.
We're supposed to go up to 9 feet. Up to ceiling at 9 feet, you know? After the roof put on and everything. You're ground to ceiling.
Wow.
Yeah.
So we're literally in the kitchen, probably gonna be where the
refrigerator.
Fridge is gonna be.
Yeah, you got it right.
Where the fridge is gonna be. And yeah, and that's the bathroom over there. I like that bathroom.
Yeah.
I like that bathroom.
It's big.
Yeah.
It's big, man.
Yeah, I like that bathroom. It's
Progress.
Good, it's good. Like I like. I'm not good with the old measurement. I say, oh, 12 by this and 10 by this. I'm like, huh? You don't understand nothing. But like this now, when you walk into the space, you can actually see what can work in the space, and that's what I wanted. Okay, now you can actually see what size furniture can fit into the space.
Right, Kyrie? Yes. What caught him right here?
You know, I think last night he got himself right there. Yes. Ooh, eyes. Touch mommy's nose. Touch nose. Mouth. So I'm teaching him his body parts, and he's getting a few words. He say eyes. So mouth again. Mouth. Eyes. Mouth. Good boy. Yeah. He's getting a few words. Like the other day he said girl. Oopsies. He says I and hey on a daily basis.
Eyes, yes, eyes. Yes. Guys, you see our face? Eyelash and eyebrow and beard things. Yeah, man, so anniversary, you know, a couple days ago. You know what I mean?
Yes. Ooh, did you hear that? Oh my God.
So, we already started posting the pics over Instagram, guys. You can go to the Deliprat family on Instagram, guys. So you can see, you know, how we spend with time, you know. Because we never really vlog. Maybe we have one video. In fact, yeah, we have one video that will come out, guys. So, follow up on Instagram. You see me?
Yes. And thank you guys so much for wishing us a happy anniversary. We enjoyed it. We did enjoy it, right?
No, we left the kids at home. And as I say, follow up on Instagram. Check out the pics, you know. Bye, yeah, bye, guys.
Say bye.
Say bye.
Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification bell. Eyes. Put the setting on all. Put the little dancing sim up beside, and that one day I must press. Alright? Give us a thumbs up for this video and share our content.
Yeah, guys.
Bye, lovely
yeah,
people.
man. Just stay tuned, guys, for more of these awesome content, you know, progress updates. Alright, so
Peace, squad.
we're out, guys.
We're out.
We're out.